Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to share internet without a password on your phone. So, let's start. At first, I connected Wi-Fi to my Samsung phone. Now, go to the settings options. Click Connections. Now, go to the mobile hotspot and tethering options. Turn on the mobile hotspot, and click for Configure. In Configuration options, you can edit your network name, password, etc. To share the internet without a password, click on Security, and select Open. You can customize your settings. Now click on Save. My network is shared by hotspot, and anyone can access it now. Let me check on my laptop. I search my shared network name in Wi-Fi list, which is open, and I access this without a password. You can see that I connected without a password, and now I can browse the internet. I access YouTube by using this open network. Again, go to my mobile hotspot option and show my connected device name. Friends, I use a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus for this tutorial. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials.